Hey neighbor, I am Mfon Akpan in case you're just seeing my face for the first time. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through 8 income streams that I have right now. I can't believe it's up to 8. When I was planning this video, I was like, let me even see if it's up to 3 or 4. And surprisingly, it's actually up to 8. By the end of the video, I hope to inspire you to create even one or two. 2 years ago, all of them didn't exist in my life. Back then, my entire world revolved around 9 to 5. I was so unidirectional. Go to school, get a good grade, build a career in human resources, and climb the corporate ladder. I was that person that believed that the recipe for financial success was set in stone. Work hard at your 9 to 5, climb the corporate ladder, and eventually you make it. That's exactly what I did and was convinced that it was the only way forward for me. Today, I'm a big believer in building multiple streams of income. In today's world, there is nothing like jack of all trades anymore and master of none. Nah. They don't call people that anymore. Have you noticed? So today I'm a big, strong believer in building multiple streams of income. And what's interesting is that most of this didn't require any upfront capital. But keep this in mind, this isn't about overnight success or easy money. Every stream I'm about to share with you is built on skill, consistency, and serving others. If you've been following me for a while now, you understand this. But if you're just seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my little corner in the internet. Make sure to click the subscribe button and binge my videos. This channel is a hub, is an epitome of value. So binge my YouTube videos, okay? And make sure to give this video a like. Whether you're a new neighbor or old, make sure to like this video so it can reach a wider audience. So let's do it. Number one is my professional writing services. I help people write resumes, cover letter, optimize their LinkedIn profiles, prepare for interviews. I write company profiles, SOPs, personal statements, visa SOPs, and a lot. I can't even remember them. In today's world where AI is on the rise, you will think that people don't need these services, but they do, because the few of my services, professional writing services I just mentioned, still needs a human touch. Yes, and this is something I've been doing even before the craze of AI. So yes, we're not going out of business. We're still doing this. In the last 5 years, I have helped almost 5,000 people, young graduates, top level executives, creatives, government officials. Yes, I have written a resume for a senator, a Nigerian senator before. Yeah, not to brag, but yes. I have helped healthcare givers improve their resumes, their CVs for better jobs. And it's become one of my most fulfilling income streams. As a matter of fact, this is my baby. This is what I started with. This is how I started making money online. My second income stream is my virtual assistant business. I offer two models: done for you VA services, where I offer my services to influencers, coaches, content creators, and done with you, where I teach and mentor aspiring VAs to become effective VAs and start their own VA business. How do I do this? I have a signature program called VA Simulation Program, VAS. I used to call it, I prefer calling it VAS. The P is silent. It's my program. I don't want to call it VAPS. Registration for the second wave is currently open. You want to sign up for that program. You're going to be working on real life projects in order for you to gain confidence and build an outstanding portfolio that will land you a paying client. This is not ALX, by the way. This is the real world. And before you sign up, the link is in the description, by the way, and in the pinned comments. You get details, you get more details about the program there. So before you sign up, make sure that you're a serious person. I do not like excuses and I don't like crybabies because my task. Okay. Because what I saw with the first wave, I'm currently running the first wave with my students. I started the week one with something. Okay, let me just start with something they're familiar with, calendar management. Let me just start with this. The tasks I gave them, they were just complaining. And I was like, okay, so what are you going to do with the other 5 weeks? So the program is 6 weeks. Make sure to sign up. I give personalized feedback. There is nothing like automation. Yeah, that's why I said this is not ALX. There's no automation. If you're not doing something right, you're going to do it again. So I give personalized feedback for each of my students. It's a lot of work, I know. Yes, but that was how I designed this program. And it's not for everybody. That's why the program is small. So if I have the amount of people I want to work, I know I can work with. I'm sharing my income streams right now with you. So you see that I'm doing a lot of things for a one person business. So yeah, each wave is going to be very small. And once I have the amount of people I know I can work with for the second wave, I'm going to close registration for the second wave. And you have to wait for the third wave. And I don't know when that will be. So use the link in the description if you are an aspiring VA, experienced VA. Trust me, even if you're an experienced VA, this program is still for you. So sign up, use the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And I cannot wait to see you in the VA simulation program. All right, so now let's move on to my third income stream, which is YouTube AdSense. Here is how it works. Once you hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. I think it's different for some other countries where you just need to hit 3,000 watch hours and I think 500 subscribers. Not in Nigeria. So for Nigeria, it's still 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So once you hit these milestones, YouTube will start showing ads on your YouTube videos and you start earning money. This is a very good passive income stream because once you build an audience, every video becomes a digital asset. It doesn't matter if you created a video 2 years ago, 3 years ago, as long as people are still watching that video, as long as that video is evergreen, you make money from it. You keep making money from it. It's the perfect example of leveraging content for long term gains. So, once you start making content on YouTube, there are two key metrics you need to understand: CPM and RPM. CPM is the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 views, and RPM is the amount YouTube will get to pay you after they've removed their own money. So if you're curious about my first payment on YouTube, you need to watch that video. I'll leave the link in the description as well. YouTube isn't just about going viral. It's about showing up consistently and providing value. And most importantly, you need to be patient and you need to have grit. If not, YouTube is going to break you and you're going to give up before you start seeing results. So it's not about starting today and then you're going viral. This is not TikTok. So don't bring TikTok mindset to YouTube. You're going to give up. You're going to run away. Let's move on to my next income stream, which is one on one consultation services. So, this is where I sit down with individuals and try to solve specific problems: career coaching, starting a business, monetizing your skills online. I think I'm an expert on this one by now because all my income streams, the ones I have shared with you, the ones I'm going to share with you, are online. I'm a digitalpreneur. So if you need clarity on anything, you want to monetize your skills online, I got you. Use the link in the description and book a one-on-one clarity section with me because these sections are one of the most rewarding moments for me. To be very honest, each time I finish a section with a client, I always feel so fulfilled. So if you want to have a one-on-one clarity section with me, whatever it is, just use the link in the description or send me a WhatsApp message and I will respond. My WhatsApp link is in the description as well. Now let's move on to my fifth income stream, which is public speaking. I decided to step out of my comfort zone and start taking speaking engagements. And I'm super proud of myself for doing this. So I speak at events, workshops about personal development, career growth, content creation, and monetizing your skills online. So if you have a speaking gig for me, I'll be happy to accept it. Now, I realized something. Speaking is leverage. In 1 hour, 2 hours, you can impact hundreds, thousands of people whilst building your brand. This is so powerful. I'm super glad I finally did this for myself before the end of the year. All right, so let's move on to my next income stream, my sixth income stream, which is affiliate marketing. So I recommend products and services I believe in, and I earn commissions each time anyone clicks on my unique link and make payments for that product or a service. I also offer done for you programs where I help others get started on affiliate marketing. It's a one on one mentorship with me. Affiliate marketing is one of the most easiest ways to make money online. You don't even have to create your own product. I think I have 2 videos on the channel where I walk you through all of this, where I walk you through this business model. Oh my God. Now let's move on to my next income stream, digital products. These are ebooks, templates, guides I create once and I sell repeatedly. They are scalable and very passive. I just have to do the work once. I just have to do the hard work once. So to get started, all you need to do is to know what you want to create, what kind of digital products you want to create. Go to Canva, create a digital product, upload it on a marketplace. I personally use Seller. I have a video on the channel on this, on how you can create a digital product. And if you'd like me to teach you how to do this, let me know in the comments section. So number 8 is brand partnership. So I collaborate with brands that aligns with my values and my audience to create sponsored content. As a matter of fact, I got my first sponsorship on the channel with less than 2,000 subscribers. Yes, and they paid me in dollars. These 8 income streams did not happen overnight. As I mentioned earlier, I didn't have 8 of them 2 years ago, and I didn't even know they were up to 8 until I decided, let me share this video and inspire someone. They are the results of years, months, sleepless nights, weeks of building, learning. If you know me, you know I learn a lot, and serving others. A brand is not created from the beginning. A brand is created along the way. You don't have to have it all figured out before you can start. To be very honest, I didn't sit down and say, I want these 8 income streams. To be very honest, the more value you bring, the more opportunities you unlock. So don't give up on yourself. Stop doubting yourself and take action. Remember, intentions don't matter, actions do. I cannot wait to share in your success stories, and I wish you all the best. Bye, neighbor.